Engineered power. State-of-the-art air filter media is designed to increase horsepower and acceleration as well as improve overall engine performance. Rugged construction. K&N Air Filters are manufactured with durable, premium materials and state-of-the-art construction methods to last a lifetime. 6 layers of protection. Multiple layers of premium cotton gauze treated with a specially designed tacking agent work together to create an intricate mesh of engine filter media that is designed to block and trap harmful contaminants. Clean once every 5 years. Engine air filter only needs cleaning every 75,000 miles under normal highway driving conditions, based on the average miles driven per year of 15,000 miles. Ultimate longevity. No hassle lifetime warranty on stock replacement K&N Air Filters. Limitations apply. Top reviews from the United States. Pretty damn good. Really good filter. My MPGs got moderately better. I am seeing just under 1 mpg difference. Also, don't buy the K&N replacement foam part, just carefully take it off the old one you have and put it where it goes. Saves you like $30.